Short electronic control panel briefing. The control panel for the electrical consumers on board is located on the left side of the helm stand. By shortly pushing the buttons, you can turn on each consumer. The buttons are assigned as follows: signal horn, anchor light, navigation lights, anchor winch, windshield wiper, navigation instruments, cockpit lights, engine room vent, entertainment system, interior lighting, water pump, heater, refrigerator, electrical bilge pump in the aft cabin, engine room lights, anchor remote control with up and down button, open and close sunroof, engine room cover, open and close, as well as the F buttons for the additional consumers of the option package.